In this tutorial, we are going to illustrate the concept of object projection. We're going to use our simple airplane design from previous tutorials, and we're going to convert it into a ducted fan jet. If you recall, we had made it a VTOL and we have made some changes on the wings. We're now going to make this airplane have some scoops. The way we do that is we select the object that we want to project. In this case, we're going to uncheck the forward projection because we want this object to be part of the backward projection only. That's for the inside cut, and we do the same thing for the outside cut. We re-render the model. You can now see that we have some scoops. We're gonna navigate to the nacelles for the twin engine version, and we're just going to remove them. This cannot be undone, so make sure that you have the right fuselage part that you want to remove. We're removing both nacelles. We're going to re-render and now you can see that only the back cross section, the back part of the fuselage, has the scoops. That's basically how you would use the forward and backward projection on different objects to have that effect. On the show split view screen, it shows you on the top screen the first cross section, the one that is active that you are located at, and how the next cross section that is used for this part projects forward. So this part would be cut basically based on these two shapes. And we can see that happening here on the CNC screen. We're now going to move to the next cross section, which happens to be where our scoop is. And if you see on this case, since the object is projected backward, it is included on the cross section. When we cut this part, you see that it includes the rounded square as well as the elliptical object that we added. And that concludes this tutorial.